Yet another Kannadiga versus non-Kannadiga incident has erupted in Bengaluru, this time in Kengeri, in a fresh incident of tension between locals and non-locals. Residents of Sunworth Provident apartment in Kengeri have accused a group of security guards of assaulting them. What an irony, security guards assaulting residents. According to the residents, the violence unfolded late last night after a disagreement over a courier delivery earlier in the day. It all started around 10 a.m. when a courier delivery boy was allowed into the apartment without undergoing proper security checks. When a resident questioned the slabs, the courier boy allegedly dismissed the concern and walked away. Now fast forward to 8:30 p.m. The situation took a violent turn. A group of security guards, reportedly belonging to Bihar, Odisha and Nepal, allegedly confronted residents and attacked 4 of them with sticks, causing injuries, and there was also bleeding, as you can see on the screens right now as evidence. The injured residents claim that they were specifically targeted because they spoke Kannada. Now, in the chaos, the residents also allege that their mobile phones and a laptop were stolen as well.
Assault at Providence Sunworth apartment has turned into a big issue in Bengaluru. Over here, we are at the Kumbhalgarh police station, where the victims have come here to file a complaint against the security agencies that were involved in beating them up. The allegation is that in the afternoon around when a delivery guy had come to deliver something to the house, one of the owners of the apartments had complained raising issues that how can a security guard come without information, and that is one the issue escalated. Let us just go and speak to the victims and find out how it all started. Ma'am, pehle hame bataiye, how did it all start? What actually happened? What triggered this fight?
Sir, actually I have went office 8 o'clock. I left home. I am not part of the what happened in the morning, but I came to know that courier boy came without the no broker approval, because her apartment में approval ज़रूरी है. So then my brother-in-law asked, where is the approval? Because 2 months back I have written a complaint to the association. Our expensive shoes, slippers are stolen. So we don't know. Other apartment courier bar has stolen, that they put it in the notice of the no broker. So that's the reason he has asked where you came, why you came, where is the approval.
They beat you up is what they're saying. What happened? You tell us.
My father called me when I was in our house, and he said me, come, I just came in near gate, you come and pick me. So I went near lobby, and my father and Akka were talking to that securities. They were like coming and holding my father's collar. So I went to stop them. They were like, "Tu kya beech mein aa raha hai re?" And they started to slap me, and they like hold in my neck.
My colleague Mohammad Wajul also spoke to the 2 security guards who were present there during the alleged assault. The guards claim that the residents are lying.
बताइए उस वक्त हुआ क्या था, ये शुरुआत कैसे हुई है?
एक्चुअली डिलीवरी बॉय आया था उनका फ्लैट में नहीं, और 1202 में गया था डिलीवरी बॉय. तो उस टाइम करंट कट हो गया था, वो स्टेयरकेस यूज़ किया. तो डिलीवरी बॉय को इन्होंने गाली दिया, पहले गाली दे के तू चोरी कर रहा है, मेरा शू ले लिया है, वो ले लिया. झगड़ा हुआ, हमको सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ने इन्फॉर्म किया, सर ऐसा झगड़ा हो रहा है बोल के. तो हम लोग उधर गया, ऐसा झगड़ा हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है बोल के हम लोग उधर गया. तो डिलीवरी बॉय को हम लोग बोला आप जाइए, आपका एंट्री है, सब कुछ है. तो ये लोग नहीं छोड़ा, उसको नहीं जाना दीजिए, हमको नहीं दिया जाने के लिए बोला. बाद में हम लोग उनको बोला ठीक है सर, हम लोग रिस्पॉन्स लेते हैं, उनको जाने दीजिए डिलीवरी बॉय को. वो जाने के बाद हम लोग को बोला तुम मेरा शू का पैसा इधर ही पेमेंट करना है, तुम लोग इधर ही मेरे शट आउट करके दे दो.
कौन सा शू का पैसा?
उनका जो चोरी हुआ था आफ्टर 2 मंथ पहले, उनका कुछ शू चोरी हुआ था, उनका पता नहीं हमको, मालूम नहीं. वो बोल रहे थे ऐसा चोरी हुआ है बोल के.
तो आप लोग मारे नहीं?
नहीं सर, मारे नहीं है. उन ओनर लोग भी आधा आदमी आ गया था, बहुत क्रोध था, तभी वही लेडी नीचे गिर के रो रही थी, मेरे को मार रहा है करे. कोई उसको छिया नहीं है. हम लोग भी था ड्यूटी सर के 6 o'clock को गया मैं, और 8 o'clock को रिटर्न आया है. कोई ऐसा लेडीज़ को मैं केयर कर रही थी, तभी भी लेडीज़ ही नीचे गिर के आओ मारो करके बुला रहा था, कोई भी उसको नहीं मारा है.
Now, the local police were called to the scene and the injured were later rushed to the Rajarajeshwari Medical College for treatment. But even after the attack, the residents faced more frustration. When they tried to file an FIR, they were reportedly told that the inspector was not available and were asked to return in the morning. I mean, missing in action, the police, as always. Now, questions are being raised about both the law and order response and what some locals are calling a deeper cultural divide. Today, we are asking some crucial questions. Is Kannadiga versus non-Kannadiga divide becoming persistent issue? Why can't law enforcement tackle rising tensions like the police is missing? The role of apartment management in tightening security, where is it? Why are the residents taking things into their hands? Why are they feeling so insecure? Joining us, Srinivasa Ramachandran, who's a resident of the apartments where it happened. He's joined us. Swami Naik, owner, Tyco Security, is also with us, and Arun Javagal, founder, Nammanadu, Nambalvike. Three of them have joined us. A very, very warm welcome to you. Namaskara to all of you. Srinivas, if I can come to you first, as a resident, it is so scary, Srinivas Ramachandran. Imagine a bunch of security guards attack the residents. Security guards are supposed to be responsible for your security. What happened, Srinivas Ramachandran?
Madam, good evening, madam. My name is Srinivas Ramachandra. I am the resident of Provident, Sunwat City. I am staying in 5M 1008. Actually, last evening when I am coming back from the office, all nearly 50 to 60 security guards, they blocked our lift lobby and they started beating us with lathis. Some gundas also, local gundas also there. I don't know their names. All these images was captured in the CCTV image. I kindly request you to please pull out the CCTV image so that I request my justice, because my son has been bitten like anything. He was nowhere concerned about this, and even my wife was bitten by this rowdies, madam. I request, I'm the local guy. I'm staying near to Ramnagar, and my hometown is Ramnagar. I born and brought up over there. And today,
Srinivas, I want to, don't show the child, please. I'll say hello to the baby, but I don't want to see the injured child. No, I don't. Please don't show. Children are not supposed to be shown. They are only supposed to be loved. My love to your child. You know, may he always stay protected. Thank you very much. Srinivas, I want to ask you something. Srinivas Ramachandran, they are making it out as if a bunch of North Indian guards came and attacked those who are speaking in Kannada. Is that true? Is it a linguistic issue, Srinivas? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, actually, see, I am a Kannadiga. I was born and brought up in Ramnagar.
Yeah.
And all these 20 to 25 years, I was staying in Ramnagar, and recently I moved my profession to Bangalore, and I'm working for one of the organs.
No, that's all right. But tell me something. Was it a linguistic issue? Did they say, you Kannadigas, hum aapko maar rahe hain because aap Kannadigas hain? Because I don't want it to be a linguistic issue.
Yes, you to kindly give us the justice. Sorry, madam.
Was it a North Indian versus Kannadiga issue, Mr. Ramachandran?
Yes, madam. Yes,
why are you
exactly,
saying it?
yes,
Why? What is the reason? How do you say that?
Because when we spoke in Kannada, those guys have not spoken in Kannada, and they told us to speak in Hindi. You local guys, we will kick you out from the premises. This is what they told. All this was being recorded in my phone, and even I can produce all the evidences to you, madam. I need my justice. I need justice.
Yeah, you will get, of course, the courts
Today, this
are
has
there.
happened to me, and I do not want some others to do this for some other people.
It is dangerous. It is highly dangerous, I think.
Yes.
This is not the way to be done. Swami Naik.
We kept the security to safeguard us.
Yes, absolutely.
They were killing
You know,
us, madam.
they cannot do that. This is rowdyism. Swami Naik, who's owner of Tyco Security, is also joined us. Swami Naik ji, what happened? ये क्या तरीका है? Namaste. I mean, for security guards to enter and attack residents, what is going on? It is such a shame. We trust you to keep us secure. Old people, little children, young people. बोलिए.
बात कीजिए. मैडम जी, एक ही बात बोलता हूँ. मैं भी कन्नडिगास हूँ. मैं भी लोकल हूँ. केंगेरी वाला मैं कन्नडिगास हूँ. हमारा सिक्योरिटी गार्ड वेल ट्रेन सिक्योरिटी गार्ड है. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल एक्स मिलिट्री रिटायर्ड पुलिस ऑफिसर सभी को उनको ट्रेन देके सिक्योरिटी का काम करने के लिए हम रखेगा. ये बंदा स्विगी जोमेटो वाला का लेके आके उनका पास झगड़ा करता, हमारा बंदा जाके उनको झगड़ा हो रहा था उसको ये करने के लिए गया है, छुड़ाने के लिए गया है, तो ये हमारा गार्ड का पास मार के हमारा गार्ड का मोबाइल लेके, ये एक ही इशू नहीं है, वो रेसिडेंस नहीं है उधर, क्या है वो उधर टेनेंट है, वो
कैमरा निकालो ना,
टेनेंट है, वो क्या किया है,
सीसीटीवी फुटेजेस व्हिच इज रिकॉर्डेड इन लिफ्ट लॉबी,
है
एवरीबॉडी विल कम टू
ये
नो द
हमारा
ट्रूथ।
सिक्योरिटी गार्ड का कुछ भी गलत नहीं है मैडम,
ओपन
मैं
द
बोल रहा हूँ ये
ओपन द
कंपनी
कैमरा,
का बोल रहा हूँ, मैं भी
ओपन
कनाडा
द
वाला हूँ,
सीसीटीवी फुटेज।
कनाडा वाला नॉन इंडियन सभी इंडियन से, नॉर्थ इंडियन कन्नडीज का कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सभी एक ही है, मैं कनाडा वाला हूँ, मैं इंडियन हूँ, पहले पहले मैं इंडियन हूँ, हमारा सिक्योरिटी गार्ड पूरा सिक्योरिटी गार्ड इंडियन है, कोई भी कनाडा
इंडियन है,
हिंदी नहीं
कन्नड़
है,
में
सब
बात करो
कुछ
ना,
कनाडा लड़का लोग की है उधर।
इंडियन हो ठीक है,
No, no,
इधर
no one
लापता
can
हो
hear.
सकते
No, no,
बीच में
Naik
उधर चलो,
Saab,
आप इंडियन के बारे में
Swami
क्यों बात कर रहे हो?
Nayak,
मैडम
Swami
मैडम
Nayak.
मैडम जी उनको
Why
हम
are
लोग
they?
कुछ
मेरे
भी
को
हम
लगता है, what I think is that they, all of them were from Odisha or Bihar or Nepal. They were speaking to them in Hindi. They were speaking in Kannada. Do you think it was a problem of language miscommunication? Like if I speak in
No,
Tamil, maybe you
no,
don't understand.
no,
Then
no,
what
no,
is it?
madam.
Why is it
सब
being
कुछ
made
एक ही है।
into North Indian guards who, you know, who attacked Kannadiga residents? First of all, security
No,
guards are
no,
supposed to
madam.
maintain peace. Then you make it as
No, madam.
Kannadiga versus North Indians? Why? Why is
No,
there
madam.
such a bias?
No,
Then
madam.
what is it? Quickly
No.
tell me, because I have to go to the other guest as well, Mr. Nayak.
मैडम एक बोल रहा हूँ, कन्नडिगा सिक्योरिटी गार्ड है, 50 मेंबर्स कन्नडिगा से, कौन नॉन लोकल है, सभी कन्नडिगा से, अभी पुलिस आ रहा है, सभी सब कुछ अभी एविडेंस सभी कलेक्ट कर रहा है, क्या होगा उसका, किसका प्रॉब्लम है उसका जस्टिस होगा, अभी किसका प्रॉब्लम होगा उसको केस होगा, एसोसिएशन है ना सिक्योरिटी उधर प्रोविडेंट सनवर्थ में
आप
एक
ये बताइए
एसोसिएशन है।
मिस्टर, नहीं नहीं आप चिल्लाइए मत, मैं पूछ रही हूँ, द वंस हु वेंट और जिनका लड़ाई हुआ उन लोगों से, वो सब नॉर्थ इंडियन गार्ड था?
नहीं, दोनों भी है, कनाडा है नॉर्थ इंडियन
तो
दोनों भी
फिर
है मैडम।
क्यों लड़ाई हो रहा है? अगर वो बोल रहा है कन्नड़ा में बात कर रहा है, हमको समझ नहीं आ रहा, हम लोग तुम लोकल को किक
मैडम,
करके यहाँ से
ये-
निकालेगा, ये सब क्यों है? क्यों है?
मैडम ये क्यों रहा है, ये एक ही बंदा, ये अभी ये क्या है, श्रीनिवास रामन है ना, ये एक
हाँ।
ही इंसिडेंट नहीं है, वो सोसाइटी में बहुत सारा इंसिडेंट हुआ है उधर, अब उधर लेडीज लोग को भी बहुत एक वचन में भी बात किया है उधर, मेरा एक ही सिक्योरिटी गार्ड से नहीं है, उधर फैसिलिटी का टीम से भी गड़बड़ है, एसोसिएशन से भी गड़बड़ है, कोई भी इनको कोई भी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन रहेगा,
अरुण जवगल, let me go-
फॉलो नहीं करेगा मैडम जी, ये
complaints against me,
रेगुलेशन
I
रहेगा,
will
वो
surrender
फॉलो करेगा तो
myself.
नहीं करेगा।
No, no,
कोई भी
this
मैडम
is
एक
for the
फाइन का
law
पैसा
to take
500
its
रुपया
course,
दिया, तो
but I
इसका अकाउंट
see
में 500
it.
रुपया डलवा लिया मैडम
No,
जी,
no,
ये।
why is it being given a Kannada versus North Indian color? Because it has happened in Bengaluru. No, it has happened in Bengaluru. Kannada gotta, nange gottilla. There is fighting which is going on. Arun Javagal, let me get Arun Javagal on the screen, or else I will not have a chance to speak, ladies and gentlemen. Arun Javagal, founder of Nammanadu, Namma Alvike. Arun Javagal, what is going on? I am shocked. First of all, I'll ask you a couple of questions. First of all, residents are attacked by security guards. I mean, it's like what? Irony is dead today, right? रक्षक जो है वो भक्षक बन गए, हिंदी में कहते हैं इसको. Then secondly, it's being made into a Kannadiga versus North Indian fight. Bengaluru is becoming more about this. I'm not saying that Chennai is not. Chennai also. Maybe Thiruvananthapuram also. But today we are talking about Bengaluru. Lots of incidents. You know, one auto rickshaw driver asking, Kannada gotta, illa, nange gottilla, fighting, people slapping each other. Come to this issue. Arun Javagal, do you think, is it right for residents to be attacked by security guards? Number two, is it Kannadiga versus North Indian fight? Arun, go ahead.
Okay, I don't see that this is as a isolated issue. I have seen that many incidents have occurred in last 3-4 years. If you notice regularly what the law and order situation in Karnataka, it is going worst. You can see that lot of the other state people are coming to Karnataka and they are committing a lot of crime, like the robbery is happening from people from Bihar, and there is a murder from someone from Odisha. So this is a very common. If you open the newspaper every day, you will see lot
Do you have
of
data,
such-
Arun? Arun,
So
do
I
you have data?
Yes, I have.
Let's not
I have
accuse
data.
anyone.
I have data. No, I'm not accusing. If you see, there was a robbery in North Karnataka recently, last month. that was committed by a North Indian team.
Okay.
And there was
all
another
right.
robbery.
Arun, I get your
in
point, but
Gujarat
let's stick
team.
to this. Do you think?
Let me.
No,
let
Arun,
me finish
this
it.
is
Let me
Arun.
finish it.
I will then, Arun, I'm requesting
No, let
you.
me finish it.
Let's
let me
stick
finish.
to this
you allowed
point.
others to you allowed others to talk, right? Let me allow. Please allow me to talk. Please allow me to finish my point. Okay. And what is happening in Karnataka or Bangalore is it is very easy for a guy from North India or Bihar or Uttar Pradesh. We know the law and order situation in Bihar and we know the law and order situation of Uttar Pradesh or any other North Indian states. So it is worst. So they are coming here, they'll commit crime
But
and they'll
this
run away
case,
from
you
Karnataka
think
and
in
they will
this,
go.
Arun,
So this
Arun,
is not just an isolated issue. This is
Arun,
the, yeah.
in this case, you think the guards ganged up against Kannadigas?
There may be possibilities there. Possibility is there. I don't deny, but I cannot commit it. But if you look at the mode of operandi, like how they work, how they operate, it is obvious that I have seen many cases where the North
All
Indians
right, let
will
me get Srinivas
together and they
Ramachandran,
will
who's
attack.
kept quiet for a
So
long
that is
time.
what might
Arun,
have
I'll come
happened
back
here
to you.
also.
I don't want any speculation here, ladies and gentlemen. Like, we are all Indians here. There are problems of linguistic problems are there, but there is law and order in this country. We still have the courts. So let's not run away with some statistics. Srinivas Ramachandran, I want to ask you this. I mean, you were attacked by security guards, by a bunch of security guards. That is terrible. Tell me, you went to, file an FIR. What happened at the police station? Apparently, the police official was not available, Srinivas. Is that right?
After all this, I want to introduce my sister. She is Kripa. She is one of my family member who was badly hit by the security team, madam. Last night she was also there along with me when this incident has happened. He was also there. And after this incident, we requested the association people to take us to the hospital, madam. None of the member was come forward to take us to the hospital. Finally, they have snatched our phones, and finally the Hoysala has come and they were given the phones and the car key. After that, I drive from the apartment and went to Raja Rajeshwari Hospital for treatment because my son is overly bleeding over there. And including myself, my wife, everybody.
What
were,
about the police?
taken
Did
to
they
the hospital.
register a case,
Yes.
Mr. Ramachandran?
Madam,
Did the
last night we came to
police?
the station at 2 a.m. midnight, but they have not taken the complaint. Today morning, Mr. Rakshana Vedika team and all those people came and now they agreed to take our complaint.
All
Still,
right.
we are there in the police station and we have written a complaint and we are yet to get the FIR copy, madam. This is the complaint. I will share with you after this.
All right.
This is the FIR.
Okay,
Still we
I
have yet
wish
to get
I
the
wish
FIR
you
copy.
and your family, a speedy recovery. Swami Nayak, these injuries are not false. These injuries are no, wait. You are owner of Tyco Security. You have security written behind your name. What is all this? Injuries? You think they injured themselves? Who will take the responsibility, Swami Nayak?
Madam, he is the one who has done all this, madam. He is the root cause.
मैम एक बता रहा
We
हूँ
got
मैडम,
all the voice
अभी
recordings, madam.
पहले
Mr.
बताया है
Swami Nayak has threatened me once
Let him
more.
लोकल
speak.
नॉन लोकल बोला है
Srinivas, let him speak.
3500 फ्लैट्स इन कन्नडिगास इन देयर प्रोविडेंट सनवर्थ में 3500 फ्लैट्स है मैडम।
हाँ।
उसमें कन्नडिगा से नॉन कन्नडिगास पे वो सभी लोग हमारा गार्ड भी कुछ भी गलत किया तो वो सभी लोग छोड़ेगा नहीं मैडम।
आप ये
अच्छे से
बताइए, अरे
ड्यूटी
आप वो
कर रहा है।
छोड़िए ना स्वामी जी, आप ये बताइए
हाँ,
कि मार पीट हुआ है रेजिडेंट्स के साथ।
नहीं हुआ।
हाउ आर यू
उधर
ये लोग क्या खुद को मारे हैं क्या?
नहीं होगा, कोई भी नहीं मारा मैडम, उनको टच भी नहीं किया हमारा सिक्योरिटी। मैडम उतना दिन से 20,000 15,000 में काम करने वाला सिक्योरिटी उनको टच करेगा मैडम? कोई भी नहीं करेगा मैडम। मैं भी कन्नडिगा से हूँ, 10,000 20,000 को कम करने उनको टच करने के लिए नहीं होगा ना मैडम वो लोग।
इसके सामने मैडम मेरे ऊपर इसके सामने ही अटैक हुआ है। मेरे पास
मैडम
एविडेंस है, आपको चाहिए तो
अभी स्टेशन में मैं स्टेशन में गया हूँ, कंप्लेंट लो लार्ज किया, अभी सुबह गया हूँ मैं। मेरा ऊपर चिल्ला मेरा ऊपर चिल्ला रहा है लड़का लोग। एक कंपनी बोलेगा तो कंपनी का साथ में गया हूँ
स्वामी नायक,
मेरा तो
just a minute,
ma'am.
ma'am, just a minute. Swami Nayak, people who are watching
Madam,
this
एक
show, your company will lose business, I say. If I were living my mother lives in Bengaluru. If I come to Bengaluru and if someone says Swami Nayak, owner of Tyco Security, is taking care of my security, I'll say, please vacate the house. You have
हम
to take
सभी
responsibility.
उनको
You have
प्रोटेक्ट करने
to
के लिए
take.
मैडम हम गार्ड दे रहे हैं ना श्रीनिवास रामन को हमारा गार्ड लोग बहुत पैर पकड़ के पूछा है उनको सर हमारा कुछ नहीं हम 10,000 को काम कर रहे हैं हमको छोड़ दो करके पूछा है उनको कोई भी हमारा लड़का लोग
ये
टच
सब
नहीं
झूठ
किया
है
है
जो
सर
भी बोल रहे
10,000
हो
वाला
ना
उनको
मैडम
नहीं टच
देयर
करेगा
इज अ सीसीटीवी फुटेज डोंट ट्रस्ट मी और डोंट ट्रस्ट हिम
प्रोविडेंट का
पुल
सनवर्थ पे मैडम प्रोविडेंट
All
सनवर्थ
right.
में 3,000
You know, there is
कन्नडिगा से
CCTV footage. There is
One minute.
what Swami Naik, but I want to go
मैं
to
live
Arun.
है, तेरा दिखा सकती हूँ एक छोटा सा क्लिप लाया
मैडम वो
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
सभी
एक
मैडम
मिनट
वो
मैम,
सब
एक
न्यूज़
मिनट, ये
का
शो है
सारा
मैम, एक
पुलिस
मिनट.
वाला देख रहा है
Let's not run away. Arun Javagal, you and I can talk like mature. You know, let's talk about it. It is very
मैडम
clear
ये सब कनाडा
that Bengaluru
हम
is
लोग कनाडा वाले
unsafe.
हैं मैडम
Wait,
हम लोग इधर पैदा होके इधर बड़ा हुआ है
sir.
मैडम
Wait a minute,
localites
Srinivas. Wait a minute.
locals they are doing this
Arun Javagal, I want to
आपको
ask
क्लिप
you,
दिखाती हूँ
leave alone
1
anything.
to 1 वैसा
I
था,
think
सामने मेरे
छोटा
ऊपर
छोटा
अटैक
गरीब
हुआ है
आदमी
ये
गरीब घर
बंदा
से
हंस
आया
रहा था
can we have Arun Javagal on the screen,
जो
please,
बंदा
and
अभी
lower the
लाइन में
other
है,
voices.
मिस्टर
Let Arun
ब्लैक
also
शर्ट
speak.
पहन के स्वामी नाय है ये मेरा ऊपर हंस रहा
PCR,
था जब
thank you
अटैक
very
हुआ।
much, Arun Javagal. It is very clear, Arun Javagal, whether it is Srinivas or whether it is me or anyone else, that the police is missing in action. Where is the police? RWO can do nothing, sir. I mean, if in my apartments 10 security guards come running and beat me with a stick, I will die. But where is the police? I'll call 100, they will come, hopefully. It seems like the law and order situation is in a shambles in Bengaluru, Arun Javagal.
Yes, I agree because the police should have taken responsibility and they should have filed the FIR and they should have done the investigation by this time because it is already more than 20 hours. As per, maybe it is more than 20 or 24 hours already crossed. So I don't know what is the status, but in the midnight, when they have gone to the police station and if they have not registered the FIR, and I think that is not right because there will be some duty police and they can investigate and at least they can start the investigation. I don't know what they have done, but I don't want to commit it. Only thing is what I have noticed in the news and other things is law and order is getting worse day by day, and majority of the law and order issues are created by the outsiders. They'll come and they'll go. I don't say that everything is committed by them and whoever is coming to Karnataka are wrong, but I see that there are a lot of majority of them are like that, but I can still see that there are a lot of outsiders. They have come to Karnataka, they have settled here, they have contributed a lot to the society. They have made this city very beautiful. I agree to that point.
Very well
also.
said, very
Same
well
time,
said.
At the same time, there is a majority of law and order issues are created by that we should
All
not
right,
forget.
very well said. I'm completely, running out of time. Srinivas Ramachandran, FIR दर्ज हो गया है अभी कि नहीं हुआ है?
अभी तक नहीं हुआ मैडम अभी तक
But
complaint
what do you
नहीं हुआ
want?
मैडम।
What do you
हम लोग
want
सिर्फ-
from the government? What do you want from the police?
I
Is
need
what I
justice,
want to
madam. I
know.
need protection
How
and
is your,
justice.
no, tell me your
I need
resident
protection and
welfare association, are they helping you out or they are
Nobody
also
has
missing?
come, madam. Nobody has come. Nobody is here. Only we 4 members, family members are sitting in this police station from morning till now. We didn't had even our food from morning. From last night, we didn't had anything. Still we are in station.
He is telling he is not affected. This is a surgeon report from Raja Rajeshwari. Yesterday night, doctor has investigated and given a CT scan, X-ray, everything. My brother's neck tissue has damaged because of the security has hold like this very strongly. His neck mark you can already see. Now we have all this treatment yet to go. He has to admit it because of his nerves has damaged this side. He hidden by the lathi. So now you tell me what we can do. After FIR only we can go to the treatment, but we are still here.
And on that note, I only wish all of you speedy recovery and safety.